single day.
I've not tested those holsters out, but it should be nice and close to like all the other ones we moved to. It should be just like that. Good morning.
Morning. So do I get to ask a question?
Right now?
Yeah.
No.
Your records department is illegally violating the law, not giving me records. Do you have anything to say to that?
If you guys want to head to the front.
You already made the complaint. It was investigated and it was unfounded from what I was told.
Yeah. So we're about ready.
They didn't even investigate. Are you kidding me? Hey, Charlotte County, this is Charlotte County Copwatch. We got to do another quick video here. I did not know this was going to happen. I got to finally ask Sheriff Bill PRUMMELL in person. I didn't know he's going to be here. He's running for office again, so I guess that's why he's showing his face everywhere. By the way, right there, I said, can I ask a question? He said no, and I did it anyways. You'll see the video. But I got to ask a question, what's your opinion of you violating my right to records requests? And he said, I'm sorry. The state attorney investigated me and said I did nothing wrong. Even though I have 7 years of evidence in emails. It's kind of hard to say I'm wrong when I have that much evidence. So here's the affidavit that I made. I got it notarized and I sent it to the 20th Circuit Court state attorney. And they must investigate it. I accuse them of committing a misdemeanor under Sunshine Law. It is a misdemeanor when you fuck with records like that. I used to get internal affairs records for free all the time for 7 years. It's a simple document. But Bill PRUMMELL is running for office right now, and apparently he doesn't want this to get out because now all of a sudden he's illegally charging me. And in fact, his lawyer said it too. I'll attach it. I forgot about that. So here's the affidavit, and I did get the notice back from the 20th Circuit Court that we investigated and we found he did nothing wrong. What a lie. So here we go. Here we go. We got the documents. Here we go. Here's a charge. Master internal investigation logs. Never had to pay for that before. Let me see. What else do we got? Okay, here you go. Here's where they started aggregating. So I have before records requests and after, and this is where they started aggregating. And so they started saying that each one of these freaking internal affairs requests were the same, which is an absolute lie. All right, they're both different. I asked for them in separate emails and everything, and they're aggregating and putting them together. And under Sunshine Law, you cannot add to Sunshine Law. They are adding to Sunshine Law to illegally prevent and cause me to pay for something which I used to get for free for 7 years. And they're saying there's no evidence. So you just saw evidence. Here's more evidence. Aggregate. That's more evidence. More evidence. Aggregate here again, more evidence. Aggregate again, more evidence. Oh, this is a real good one. PR request for any and all search warrant affidavit and applications that has the word cellular in it for today. They aggregated this stuff. I was asking this every day. The bill is $842. That should be free. What do we got? Here's another one. They're putting, I asked for these internal affairs separately. They're putting them together. They're charging now. I never had to pay before. This is another aggregate, another aggregate, another aggregate, another aggregate, aggregate. Where are the... Okay, here is the ones where, this is just some of them. Out of 7 years, I couldn't get them all. Asked for an internal investigation. Got it for free. Not a problem. Because it's freaking done. It's closed. It's nothing. Oh, this is a fun one. $39,000. PR request for any and all search warrant affidavit and applications for devices for 2019. That's a lot of fucking people you're fucking with illegally there, buddy. Yeah, here's another one. Asked for this internal affairs investigation. Got it for free. Isn't that weird? Here's another one. They're aggregating. They're charging me. Here's another internal investigation. I asked for free. Got it for free. So everything's changed in the past 3 months since he started running for office. So here's another one where they're bundling them together and I asked for them separately. So here's another one where I asked for it before 3 months, and I got it for free. Isn't it weird? So they said that there's no proof of what they did. So I'm trying to get to what the state attorney said here. It's okay. Here we go. It's right here. It says, and this is what he was talking about when you see the video in the beginning. My affidavit actually did turn into a misdemeanor summons request for disposition, and this guy is really corrupt. Anthony Kunasek, citizens complaint, Andrew Sheets, order, crimes officer, violation of sunshine law, disposition, summons denied. That insufficient evidence, and you just saw it. So who the fuck is a liar and who the hell is corrupt? You tell me. I'll leave all the video evidence here. I think I'll Google Drive this so you guys can see it, and you will clearly say, I used to get it for free, and now they're charging me. That is illegal under sunshine law. Remember when our founding father says, take a goddamn country back, you're a frog in a pot, the water is gone, you are burning in the pot, get the hell out and fight.
Copwatch, policing the police every single day.
Said he started to run again. For the first time in 7 years, I am getting totally fucked up my ass on getting records. Really bad. They made an SOP that states they can aggregate and bundle, which is not in the sunshine law. You can't add to the sunshine law. And they're doing this illegally, knowingly, on purpose, to force me to pay for records that I got for free for 7 years. It's kind of hard to deny that when I got 7 years of records here, okay? You're an investigator?
I'm not.
Okay, whatever. Doesn't matter. You're a cop. You know that's...
I'm not a cop.
Okay, what are you?
I'm an attorney.
Damn. You're the one they're supposed to give it to if this is my 5-day notice of intent to sue. They're supposed to give it to you for you to decide if you want to go to court or not, correct?
No, that's not my role as an attorney here.
Oh.
Yeah, we have other attorneys that deal with that.
Okay, anyways, whatever. They are violating the law. It's a misdemeanor offense, okay? All right, so that happened the minute he started saying, and you know, I said, I'm going to go as a write-in. He admits he's going to run again, and all of a sudden, for the first time in 7 years, I am getting super fucked on records. Illegally. It's a crime.
So what are your remedies? Have you sought an attorney's assistance?
So what I can do is ask them, tell them my intent to sue. They're supposed to give it to the lawyer here. Okay. The lawyer looks at it. Is the records people lying or what? Which they are. Okay. All right. Or do we want to go to court? That's simple.
So have you provided the requirements on your intent to sue?
Yeah. All you got to do is send it back to them and tell them. Apparently they're not even doing that.
So your next step is to look for legal advice or get an attorney on?
So here's the thing, that like I said, I shouldn't have to do that. Did everybody like swear an oath to the Constitution here?
No. You remember, there's a process. The courts have a process.
Okay,
so every argument has two sides.
So you're saying they can fuck me here to the point where I can't get records and I got to get a lawyer?
Did I say that, Mr. Sheets?
Are you saying that?
The answer is no.
All right.
What I'm telling you is that there's obviously two different arguments to one conflict. And you have your side.
I have documented proof. 7 years of getting records.
Mr. Sheets, there's two sides to this argument.
That's right.
So typically there's an avenue to address this, and that's through the court system. And you yourself said that you have this avenue to go seek legal advice.
That's right.
Provide the notices
and it is supposed to go to the lawyer here first. They look at it and decide, are we going to waste the taxpayers' money and go to court, or is the records department violating the law, which they are?
What about they decide that they're not violating the law? Is that respectively a decision on an attorney's side, whoever it is?
Right.
You have the right to pursue that through the court system and let the courts decide. So we know every case that goes to the court,
Wow.
there's two different arguments, right?
Dude, did you know in 7 years I've never heard anything like this?
Well, that's the law as it is today. So typically there's a conflict between two parties, right?
That's
One party
correct.
says, I think I'm wrong or right, and the other party says, I think I'm right. And then we have a system in place in this country that will facilitate and say, no, this is...
So you're kind of admitting that they are knowingly screwing me on records and that
Andrew,
I'm screwed unless I go to court.
Andrew, are you admitting that you are wrong in what you're telling me?
I am right in what I'm telling you. I got 7 years
You're
of
not
proof.
making that admission. Neither am I. I'm not admitting to what you're telling me because that's not the case. I know nothing about the details.
Okay, whatever. So Jacob
What
Hawkins,
I'm telling you is that you have the right to go through the process.
That's right. Okay,
So
drop
just go
that.
through
So
the
I
process,
hear what
yeah.
the excuse on that. That's a dead dog. So anyways, yes, the Jacob Hawkins situation, I have asked. Hey, Sherri County, this is Sherri County Copwatch. I am using any video here with under fair use if you have criticism, reporting, teaching, etc. And please donate. I do not make money from YouTube, and there are different ways to donate in the video links. Thanks.